Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a flip through of the Merry Christmas coloring book. This is from Hanna Karlzon. Now you can get this on Amazon US. You could have pre-ordered it and gotten it ahead of time too, but I was lazy. Plus it came out in like, I don't know, not too long ago. But, by the way, printed in Kaysville, Utah, which is like not even 20 minutes from me. So we're going to do a flip through. I'm actually tempted, so I just filmed my video of all my holiday books, my favorite holiday books, but I'm actually tempted to solely color in this book all month. I'm more than aware that I'm already into the month. I don't care though. There's no rule. Because I've been getting bored. I started a Clara Markova page and I got bored. And I thought, what if I just challenged myself to do that? Plus this book is really pretty. I did already peek at it when I got it. And yeah, I think I just love it. So let me know if there's like a page you see that you would like to see a color along, because I think I am going to color in this book all month because I just can't help myself. It's just so pretty. And I had gotten it and then I had forgotten to do a flip through video, so that's on me. But yeah, I really like this one. Love that one, by the way. This one, I have so many ideas and I kind of want to do like another full tutorial like I did in Seasons, doing my pine needle technique, but I have like ideas with the owls and stuff. Yeah, I've got things brewing. So many pretty pages in here. This one I really, really like. I just want to make her like glow. I don't know why, but I'm really drawn to this one. I like coloring mushrooms though. I don't know why. Don't ask me. It's always been a thing. I'm like, I want to color a mushroom. I really like this page too. Go ahead. And this one as well. I hate though that it's the glue. So yeah, there you go. That's the Merry Christmas coloring book that I think I am just going to spend all month coloring. So let me know if you want to see a color along or if there's a specific tutorial like bows, pine needles. I already have planned, but if you really want to see pine needles and get me moving faster, definitely tell me in the comments below. But let me know if you bought this and what you thought. Did you like it? Were you happy? I'm actually happy with it. Yes, it's small, but it's a Christmas one. What are we expecting? 100 pages? So it's a collector's thing. But thanks for hanging out with me for a quick flip through. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye now.